Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to underclock your CPU to lower its temperature and keep your system cooler. So this is a really useful feature if your PC is running hot and your fans are loud, or if you want quieter or more efficient setup. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and head over and follow the steps. You can head over and go over here, type in power plan and open up this for choose a power plan, and you should be finding it like this. I can go over and look out for the power options and look out for the one that you're using. After that, head over and find this option called change plan settings and open it up. And when you do, you'll be finding different options. Look out for the option called change advanced power settings and open this one right here. Once you do so, a pop-up appears on your screen. From the given options, you just need to scroll down and look for this option called processor, power management, and expand it up. And from here, just go over and look out for maximum processor state, expand it. And we have this option right here for on battery and plugged in. You're just gonna make the value to 90. If it is 100, you can just go and type in 90 and click on apply and click on OK. And that will kind of fix your issue for you and underclock your CPU for lower temperature. When you do that, that will basically limit your CPU speed safely without BIOS changes. And that's it. By underclocking through those options, you can lower your CPU temperature, reduce fan noise, and even extend your hardware lifespan. And that is it. So if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and we'll be seeing you in next one.